Yeah, because you definitely did it wrong.
The area is the length times the width. Width.
No.
The what?
Width.
Width.
Width. Come here.
Talk to me.
See, I don't like when people do that. When they're wrong and then they're like, it's not wrong. It's not wrong.
Everybody got
It's
to be able
clearly
to.
wrong.
Two very powerful. You got to be able to say, I don't know, and you have to be able to say, I was wrong.
Yes, Alex.
It's okay.
I was not wrong.
But you were wrong, so.
There's nothing wrong
But
with
you
it.
were.
Come here. This is how you learn shit and get better and know it.
When you're so
No, you're not wrong.
That's what school's for. That's what school's for.
Yes,
Yes,
you're right.
This is also for school.
So-
Come here.
No,
Come-
no,
come
you're not.
here.
You're
Come
not
here.
wrong.
Sit down. Sit down.
Hold on. Stop yelling. Too loud. Too loud. Just let's look it over. All right.
Okay, Alan. So
Area is what? Length times width, right?
length times width,
Yes,
right?
that's what I did.
No,
I did
and
twice.
stop. Let me talk. You can't talk over me.
So listen, look, sit here and look at what and listen to what she said.
All right. So you see, right? Length times width is area.
Nalia,
Listen.
try not to yell it. Try to just say it.
Okay, Alan. So give me the calculator. Put it down. So
Alan, be quiet and pay attention.
So basically, length times width is 10 times 10. 10 times 10 does not equal 60.
Hold on, don't say. Just
I was.
get to the fucking point.
I was.
Don't do all the extra words.
Equally.
Explain it to him
So
like
that's
he
wrong.
is 5 years old. Listen, all right, here, let me try. All right, let me and you sit here so you can see how you need to explain shit to people.
I hate
All right,
kids.
how you can. No comment. I love them. They are annoying, though. I will agree with you on that, but I love them. But you know what? Kids are adults, so if you hate kids, you hate adults.
I do.
And adults are also annoying. So check this out. Why do you always have to do something? Why can't you just not touch anything for a second? Just put it down. God damn it. I'm sorry. All right, check this out, right? Damn. All right. This is the way it was explained to me a couple of minutes ago. You got 10 times 10 equals what?
100.
100. So it'll be this. If this was a whole square, this it would be 100 square inches, right?
Yes.
All right. Minus this area right here, right?
That's not how we do math now.
Y'all did it wrong.
All right. Well, just let me explain it. Then you can tell me how you do yours. So 10 times 10 is 100. Minus this area, which is 5 times 4. That's what? What's 5 times 4?
20.
So what's 100 minus 20?
100 minus 20 equals 80.
80. So this would be 80 square inches. Here you have 60,000.
You want to know where I got 60,000 from?
I do.
Because I multiplied all the numbers. All the numbers.
Can I
Okay.
correct this mistake?
So-
Because I realized what he did. So you multiply all the numbers, right? So I think you're confusing with perimeter. Perimeter is adding all the numbers together of the sides, right?
Yes.
So I think that's why you got that. Because you did perimeter. You did that right. But I think you just got it a little confused. Okay, so you don't add all the sides, multiply all the sides together to get area. That's wrong.
That's how we do math now.
Well, that's wrong. So
That's how we do math now.
All right, so check
you can't
this
do
out.
math a different way. It's
All right,
math.
check this out. Right, which is the nice thing about math. It's easy because
It's only
not
one way.
It's not close, right? It's either right or it's wrong. So here, let me help you out. Look, perimeter is all the sides, right?
Pay attention.
Area is only one side and the other side. It's only two sides.
That's not how
No, wait, stop. You said that wrong. Area is the entire shape. Perimeter is only the outside.
That's not how we do math anymore.
Okay,
All right.
well that's what it is. So
So
get it
I'm
right.
gonna try to make it less confusing for you. Perimeter is all the sides on the outside. The area, you're just taking the length and the width.
That is still confusing.
All right. The area is just the length and the width. So right here, the area, if this was a whole square, the area would be 8 times 8. It wouldn't be 8 times 8 times 8 times 8. It would just be 8 times 8, just two sides.
Multiply together.
I know. All right, so check this out here.
You're making it more confusing.
All right, so here, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna just let you correct these answers. Here, take this pen.
Maybe that's why you don't write in pen because you get them wrong.
All right, thanks for your help. Now you can get out. Get out. Go finish eating my food.
I'm not eating anymore.
Oh, great. Well, clean off your plate off the table. Also, get your bag off the floor and put it in the bag area, please. Everybody has to do their part to try to get this thing together, all right?
Nowhere to put it. If you didn't know.
There's a bag area for
Your bag area is
bags.
full. You didn't know that.
There should only be 3 freaking bags.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see 5. Plus mine equals 6. And then plus Alan's equals 7. So I don't think I think it's a little more than 3.
I just want to eat and play my game.
Mommy, I still need to sign my paper. Okay, yeah.
All right, check this out,
I
son.
can just sign it now.
Here, I'm gonna help you with the first one and let you do the rest.
I don't do it.
So much
Chop, chop.
freaking noise in the background. Come on, right here. So look, right here, boy, son. You got
Come on now.
the perimeter correct. 10 plus 10 plus 6 plus 5.
Plus 4 plus 5.
Yes, you got the perimeter correct. What is that? 10 plus 10 plus 6 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5. Yeah, that's
The
40.
area is correct.
No,
Do the math.
the perimeter is correct. The area is 10 times 10 minus 5 times 4. Over here, the area, I don't give a goddamn it what your teacher says. This is, I'll do it the way I say it, all right? And then tell your teacher to call me if it's wrong. Here, the area is, you did right. You found the size, but this is just a little scribbly. So you got 20 feet and 16 feet. So what is this missing part right here? How long is that?
This is supposed to be 3 and this is supposed to be 1.
All right, so 20 feet minus 16 feet is what?
4 feet.
Right, so that should be 4 right there, right?
No, because the 4 is right here, and if you put that right next to there, this is like longer than that.
4 should be here, and here,
How?
here should be 3.
That's too small to be 3. And 4 is right here. If you put that right next to that, this is too big for that.
Okay, so I'm looking at it like, because you got 20 feet is this whole thing, right? And then here is 16 feet. So this missing piece has to be what?
4.
Yes.
That doesn't make sense.
It actually
That
does.
does not make sense.
Why not?
I'm not understanding. If you put it down, this one will also go right there. It will be 1 length over. It will be actually 21 feet.
16
Plus
plus.
1 plus 4.
Where do you see 1 at?
1. If you put it down, it's gonna be 1 more over.
All right, I would say forget about that because that's actually not making sense to me. Let's keep it simple. They give you the answer right here. 20 feet and 16 feet. So the missing number has to be 4 every time.
No, it has to be 5. Because when you put it down, look.
Fuck.
No, when you put the 1 down, it's gonna go down with
Where are
it.
you seeing 1?
It's right there.
You wrote the 1 though.
Be blind.
You wrote that 1, right?
Yes, but
Yes,
if you put it down,
That's
it's gonna be 1.
incorrect.
Can I put my toothbrush in that new thing?
Yes. You pick a cup for the toothbrushes for you.
Oh,
All right.
me.
Son, I don't know how to explain this to you, right? 20 feet. This is what the teacher's supposed to fucking do, right? Excuse my language. 20 feet, 16 feet. Don't worry about anything else. 20 feet, 16 feet. What is the missing space in between 20 and 16? How do I get this 16 to equal 20?
4.
That's it. Don't worry about nothing else. Don't think no more about it, okay? 4. 4 right there, all right? So put 4. For the long piece. 4 for, yes. Now, on this side, you have 7 feet, right? Maybe they just suck at drawing. Okay, you have 7 feet and you have 4 feet. So how many feet is that?
3.
Yes, 3. That's it, 3. There's nothing to cry about.
I'm not understanding it. You're yelling at me
You
for
are
that.
understand. I'm not yelling. You are understanding.
No, I'm not.
Yes,
it's
because-
confusing.
All right. Well, let me ask you this: 7 feet minus 4 feet equals how many feet?
It equals 3 feet, but you keep on yelling at me to make it more confusing.
Okay.
That's not how we do math now. It's not like it's in the past.
All right. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm not trying to. I know you're not trying to make this confusing for me, but you actually are.
Okay. I'm sorry. I'm gonna try to make it as simple as possible.
You cannot do that. If you're gonna make it confusing, it's already gonna be confusing. Then it's not gonna be able to be simple.
Okay. Let's start over. I'm sorry for making it confusing. I'm sorry for yelling. All right. I love you. Let me go.
I don't want to give you a hug. I'm
Mwah.
mad at you.
All right. I'm sorry. All right. Let's just forget about this for a second.
And plus, the teacher's the one who's supposed to recorrect it, not the parent.
Alan, also,
Can you just be quiet, Nolia? Please.
But when the teacher corrects it, the teacher puts in grades. When the parent corrects it, the parent does not put in grades. If you fail that paper and the teacher corrects it, you get a 0 in the grade book. But if daddy corrects it, you don't get a 0 in the grade book.
I might.
I don't think you will.
That happened before. It might happen again.
I don't think you will.
I'm pretty sure there's no time that I corrected your
Yes,
work
you have.
and you got a bad grade.
Yes,
on it.
you have. I got a C once.
It ain't because of nothing I did.
Yes, you did. I'm going to my room because I don't want to be near you guys.
I'm not gonna look at the guys. So the area for this one is, what is it, 80?
How did my dad do it? My dad had me so good at math. He didn't cuss though.
But
But
maybe because you were
I would
simple.
never storm to my room.
Well, also, think about it. Stop, chill. You know Alan, right? You like it's Alan, right? Think about it. It's Alan.
Okay?
You guys stop talking about me.
He has problems.
No, he doesn't. Don't say that because he don't have problems. He actually has a very good life.
He's really good at math for some. He's good at math. It's just it's Alan, so
He doesn't like.
doesn't want to do it.
Man, nobody likes to do homework, but you got to. I mean, you got to be able to do simple
I'm crossing
fucking
out
shit.
this, okay?
Okay, thank
And
you.
then 80.
Did you eat dinner? All right, come
80.
eat dinner.
It should be. Shouldn't it say 80 square feet?
It doesn't really matter. No, it's inches.
80 square inches. We don't have to do that
Square
part.
inches. You don't have to. I don't.
Okay, fine.
But you
Just
can.
say 80. Just say 80 because I don't want them. But Alan, I need you to come. Just understand. Come on, we got to
I
finish this.
can't see anything over here.
So this should be 4 feet across and 3 feet down.
I don't understand.
So come here, and you will. Just forget about everything that you think.
4 and-
Stand up right here. Just stand up and shut
Yeah.
up. God
Watch.
damn it! Why is there so many
Stop.
words being
Stop.
spoken?
You want to see how I got my answer, 80? Yes or no? Just yes or no.
Yes.
That's all you gotta say. Okay, so first of all, we found a perimeter, right? You added all these together, found a perimeter. Good job. The area. So I'm gonna write down the formula up here, okay? Area equals length times width, right? The length is how tall. No, that's the height. The length is how long something is, right? The width is how wide it is, right? Okay, so let's do this shape for example. What's the length of this shape? And what's the width?
10 feet.
10 inches.
No, it says 10 feet. It's not supposed to be saying
Okay,
10
yeah, I
inches.
see it. All right, and what's the
20.
What's the
one
width?
feet.
Good.
21
Now, what's the area? You can use the calculator.
I don't know.
Well, Alan, length times width equals area. You got the length, you got the width. God, it's
31?
length times width, not length plus
100,
width.
210?
Okay, I think that's right. So, good
What,
job.
what are we talking about? 10 and 20?
10, 21.
10 and 21. So that'd be
210.
210.
That's
Good
what I
job.
just said.
That's what I said. I said it was correct. Good job. That's all you gotta do. That's all you gotta do.
210. So then you have to minus what?
Now, Alan,
You're almost there, bro.
look at the shape. What's the area of this empty area? Empty. What's the area of this space right here? You know this.
3 and 1.
That says. Okay, so the area of this little area right here It'd
3
be
and
24.
3
So
and 8.
Alan was 24 minus 210.
24 minus 2. You said 24 minus 210. That's
210 minus 24.
You said 20.
210 minus 24.
You didn't let me
210 minus 24.
You're not
200. I know. It's 210 minus 24.
Let me finish.
No.
Let me
Finish.
Sorry, again.
Finish.
You said 24 minus 210. That would be negative
Yeah, you don't know.
194.
Yes, it would be negative because I said it wrong. I'm sorry.
210 minus 24.
186. So the area of this shape would be 186. I'm gonna write the area in the middle because there's too much going on at the bottom. Can I do that? A equals 186.
Sure. Hey, if it's wrong, just tell your teacher to send us an email. It's not your fault, and we'll try to get you another chance.
She's still gonna yell at me. The substitute teacher, she's still gonna yell at me.
Okay.
It's a
Talking
substitute.
to you and correcting you is not yelling at you.
Yeah, she is. She yells at everybody.
I don't think she yells.
Yeah, she does.
Alan also does say.
Because you don't go to our school anymore. You don't know how she's like.
Alan also says that his
Hey,
teachers
hey,
hit
guys.
him, and
Listen,
that's.
Alan. It's late, okay? You've been home since 2 o'clock. So at this point, we're going to listen to what people got to say, allow them to help you, and we're going to get it done, okay? So we can go to bed. All right?
The length and the
That's it.
width for this one will be 716.
Stop screaming.
No, 4.
Thank you.
Oh, Lord.
No.
I don't like shapes like this.
You guys keep on making it
I
confusing.
don't like that.
It's so easy. 7 minus 4 is 3.
I'm not
To me,
talking
it's
about
easy.
That. I'm not talking about that shape.
I'm talking about, okay, whatever. 20 minus 16 is 4. So you got 3 and 4. So you got to do
12.
It's not.
12
It's
is
not
that
the
little
same.
piece.
It's different.
But I'm telling you, it's the same. And I don't care what then people say. We're not doing what anybody does outside. We're doing what we do. And this is what we do. We do it the normal freaking way.
And also,
We're not doing it the way the people in school do it. We're not doing it any way that any teacher tells you to do it.
In my school,
We're doing it
in
the
my
right
school,
way.
This is the way we do it in our curriculum. So I think this is the correct way.
No.
Alan, when did you learn how to do this?
I learned how to do this school year.
This school year, Daddy. When did you learn how to do this? 30 years ago, right? Right.
Literally, yes. Literally.
So 8 times 8 is 64. 64 is 64 minus 6. 60. The area of this is 60. Perimeter is 30, I guess. I don't know. I'm not checking that. I don't care. Okay, I'm writing 60. I don't like doing things wrong. No, it's not 60.
What are you talking
It's
about?
not 60.
What is the question?
I was doing the area for this one. It's not 60. Oh my god.
Okay. 8 times 8 is what?
64 and minus 6. I said 60. It's not.
What?
It's 58.
So this
58.
is crazy. Okay.
58.
Okay, so
Right.
come here, Alan, come look at this too. This side is 8, right? This side is 5. So what's 8 minus 5?
Oh, that's wrong too.
What's 8 minus 5 is 3. So this little piece here is 3. Period. 8 here, because 8 minus 5 is 3.
Why'd you
That's
put two?
how, bro. That's how. It's don't fucking overthink it. It's the easiest shit in the world. 8 minus 3 is what?
5.
5. So this piece right here is 5, because this, look at the paper. This length and this length together have to equal 8. Okay? Just like this, you see this long line that goes right here up and down? Huh?
Yes.
And this one here that goes up and down?
Yes.
Those two have to equal 8. Okay, because it's 8 over here. So this plus that has to equal 8.
Just give him a 2 there.
Okay? Let me see this.
Wait, hold on.
This
Oh.
this is the whole length of this
Wait.
box in this square. All
Yes,
right.
it is.
No, it's
yes,
not.
it is.
What is this? What is this line right here?
That might be an 8, but if you want to make an 8 on this side, if you slant that,
We're not
like-
talking about that. So we're talking about this side.
Don't cut him off. Just let him fucking. All right. So let's do it like this. Let's look at this house, right? See this wall?
Yes.
This wall is 15 feet. Okay? It's 15 feet long. Now, from that wall, you see that wall over there?
Yeah.
From that wall all the way to that wall is 40 feet. Okay? Got it?
Yes.
So from that wall to that wall is 40 feet. This wall is 15 feet. Okay? So, what is the distance? What is the distance from here, this point right here, to that wall? This is 15 feet. So what is from here to there?
The area of one of those shapes is 58.
That's 40 feet. I mean,
The whole thing is 40.
20 feet. 20 feet?
No, don't guess. I'm giving you the numbers. 40 feet is the whole
Fish.
distance. This is 15. So what is that?
25 feet.
Boom! You got it.
Oh,
25 feet.
you hit me.
You got it, brethren. All
I'm
right.
now learning this stuff. I haven't even did this stuff before. We are now starting this.
All right. So we're learning it now. So check it out. So
No,
come here.
I'm learning this
So
now.
come here. So let's pretend like this wall is the whole wall right here, okay? This one is, the whole wall is 8 centimeters. This part of the wall is 3 centimeters, right? So what does the rest have to be? This, the whole wall?
5.
Yes! Now, over, how about,
Wait. So where's the 3 gonna go? If this is gonna go up here, where's the 3 gonna go? Right here. Where's this gonna go?
5 is this right here.
If this is 5 and this is 3, where's the 3 gonna go?
So this is 3. Because
Because
this is 5
then it has to go
here.
up.
Look, this is, yes. So this one here is 5, right? This whole wall is 8 right here. So this wall is 5. So what's the rest got to be?
3, but you can't
3.
move the 3. You cannot move that.
No, this is a whole nother 3.
How do
We're
you-
adding
how-
another 3.
How do you move? How do you move a wall? That's impossible.
We're not moving any walls. We're just measuring it.
Let me see.
And this whole thing is 8. So half is,
Technically
this
moving
piece
a
is
wall.
5.
That's technically.
You're thinking too much. Stop it.
Ellen,
This is shh. This is 5, so this is 3. It equals 8. It's that simple. Don't think no more of it. At this point, it's the easiest shit in the world. Look at this. This is 10 right here, right?
Yes.
This is 8.
That's
So what is the rest?
4. It's 4. It's 4.
Al, think of it as cutting the wall, right? If you have a wall that's 10 inches, right? And you have to cut that wall, and someone's in your.
I'm sorry, you're saying way too many
Okay,
words.
fine. You gotta cut the wall, right? You gotta cut the wall 8. You gotta cut the wall 10 feet wall 8 feet.
I need you to get out because I don't want him to lose this. I'm close.
You're far.
Get the fuck out. This is 10. Right?
I'm kind of getting.
This is 10. The whole wall is 10.
Wait. So if this whole wall is 10, this shouldn't be a 1. This should be a 2 instead, because that would equal up to there.
Yes! Now what about this one? This is 21.
So this should go. No. The 8 is not going to equal up to 21.